Y'all, Swelpin and Rockstar here, back with another video. And today we're talking TikTok Shop. I got in the program yesterday, Monday the 17th of March, and I already got my first violation on my first video. So let's talk about some things I did wrong, and this will be a 0 to 100K TikTok Shop challenge. I'm going to make a playlist in a series for this, and I would do that as well for 100K with prop firm payouts for trading. But I'm going to do that after I get a payout because trading is more mentally like draining. I'm going to focus on a payout first, and then we'll start that challenge. However, number one, my goal was to buy products on Amazon and just return them because Amazon has the best return policy. I think I've bought TikTok Shop, but I've just never returned anything. And when I have, it was like smaller sellers, so it was like a process, but it wasn't bad or anything. So I was like, let me just order on Amazon. Number one, you cannot return supplements on Amazon. I don't even know if you can return supplements anywhere online. I know you can at the grocery store, so I just assumed. And since I didn't open them, since I knew they were supplements, I did not open them. So I bought a bunch of supplements. I spent $200 on products, 7 of them, mind you. And then I only got $50 back because I was able to return this toothpaste, the beef tallow, and the nipple covers. I got to keep, but they gave me the refund. Okay, but I have $150 worth of products that I cannot return. So if you're gonna do TikTok Shop in the beginning and to be as cost effective as I was trying to be, do not do any supplements. But the supplements are the products that sell the most. So if you buy these, one, I'm gonna obviously start using them because I have to keep them now. These are for men though, but they say natural exercise women can use too. But this is a prostate thing, so I can't even use that. So I'm just giving it to my dad. Vaginal probiotics I don't need, but I have one of those, so I guess I can use them as well. But I do take ashwagandha, but I take pills, not gummies, and I do love me a green tea, so it is what it is. And or I'll just keep promoting videos of these for the month and just get products next month. I do have one more supplement I want to try that's also $40. It's like it's expensive, so but then my other products are like foam mounts and things like that that you literally can return. So if you're gonna start and you want to do it most cost effective, either buy it on TikTok Shop where it is cheaper, um, or don't get supplements to start. Get your first $500 or $100 in sales and then start buying supplements. Or just, if you have that money. Also, I got in 7 days because I paid for ads. So I'm already out of the whole like $650 from TikTok Shop. I did want to do that because I wanted to get in early. It took me a year to grow my Wealth Building Rockstar TikTok to 5K. I just hit 5K before like the end of last year, which is great. But like, if you don't want to take a year to do that, you should just pay for ads. It takes like $100 per 1,000 people. So what I would have done next time is post 3 times a day and running the ad, because if you post 3 times a day, you might can get in 1,000 followers. So what I did, I bought my paid $100, got my 1,000 followers, see if I can get in early. Did not put an extra like four. I had a coupon for $50, and I had 150 left from when I was drop shipping like 2 years ago, which I thank God. So I put in 400 of my own money, and I wound up spending. See, what happened was my ads were. I wanted to spend only 300 of my own money for my business account, and my ads started to slow down. Like it was slowing down. Like I was getting like 300 a day. Like I was gonna cap it. I would have made my 5,000 followers in like 400, 450 for real. And then it started slowing down. My ads weren't performing and da 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 da. And then all of a sudden I put extra $100 in. Cause I'm like, whatever, dude. I want to get in, right? So I put 400 of my own money in, and I spent, like the 150 of the other money. So I really spend like $550, $600 to get this 5,000 followers. However, yesterday when I just put in the last $100, I put $100 for the whole day. Maybe just do $100 a day; it'll spend better. So you might can get it at 300, 400 if you do $100 a day ad spend, and you'll get in faster, because it got me like an extra like thousand. Like I'm way past 5,000 followers. I have like 5,500. Like I have way more than I needed, but whatever. I was like, just spend the whole $100 because I don't think you can take it out and put it back on your credit card. You might can, because my money was in a separate ad account, and it let me take it out that ad account and move it to this one. It lets you like take money out and distribute it on TikTok Shop, which I love. I don't think Facebook lets you do that. So I was like, oh, I could just use this for this instead of like it just that $140 just sitting there for 2 years. You know what I'm saying? So do it that what you will. again, you're in fast enough. So if you do have to pay 600, or like I said, break it up or post 3 times a day while you're doing it, because I posted 3 times a day at the end when I was at like 4,200 when my ads were slowing down, to try to get followers organically that way. And I still didn't really get in, but I only posted 3 times a day for like 5 days. If I would have been doing it the whole time, then maybe I would have got in. But again, I got in 5 days. I did three. I ran the ad for 3 days in February, and then I just ran it like now, like for 3 to 4 more days this time. So it's like you can get in fast. It's gonna cost money. You can break it up. Like I said, you can do like $100 1 month, like I did. Then I did the last 300 this month, but you could do like $100 every month and get in 4 months. Like, do what's good for your pockets, but running ads on the TikTok Ads Manager, make an ad account. Do not promote in there. You're running ads like you're drop shipping, but your optimization is for followers. I'll make another video on that. There's a bunch of videos on TikTok and YouTube about that already. You get a pretty girl, a lip sync video, put teamwork I follow back. I found another video of just a hand and a girl. It was like me following all the girls who follow me. I ran that one, and that one actually started performing really well. So out of those two just got me my followers. So I've made already like 35 to 40 videos. I wanted to make 10 videos per each product, but I didn't. I made like 7 for the tea. No, I made like 7 for the probiotic. I made, no, 8 for the probiotic, 7 for the tea, and like 5 for everything else. So we're just going to see how that goes. I'm going to post 5 times a day. I was going to buy my second round of products yesterday, but obviously not being able to do the return kind of hurt the pocket. So I just want to see how these react, see if I need to promote more with these first. But I do have 4 products I want to do next. One more is a supplement. That's going to be my last supplement, I think. And the rest are going to be like foam mounts, clothes, things I can return. I didn't want to do clothes until I have my dream body yet, because I just don't know. You know, a TikTok, like the pretty girls who got me my followers. I want to be in my slim trim. I have lost like 30 pounds, but I have like a few more pounds to lose to have like the body that's like taking it to attract followers. But then again, there are a lot of people on here who don't have a dream body who are doing TikTok shop, the stay-at-home moms, the plus size girls. So you really have to get out of your head and dive into that. So see if I get my first sale. Like I said, I got my first violation on my first video. I'm posting my next video in 2 hours. I'm doing every 3 hours. And like I said, I got a violation in literally 1 hour, less than an hour. So we're going to see. Maybe I just can't say Amazon at all in my videos, which is annoying. It's not annoying, but so I'm like about to check my videos right now and like go through all the other videos I've made and make sure I'm not comparing anything. I feel like that's the only one I said it in. So we're going to see, but like it's not. They're really strict over here. They are really strict. You can get money fast, but it is strict. I also got in the Amazon influencer program right after getting a TikTok shop. So paying does help. It does work. You know what I'm saying? So I want to record some videos for that right now and upload a list for that and do all that stuff. So that's an extra side of money as well. So we'll see, like 100K from affiliate marketing, 100K from trading. What will happen first? How long will it take? Who knows? My goal for the year is to make 250K. So I can just do 100 from each. You know what I'm saying? And 100 from each in a year is not crazy. It's crazy, but it's not. Like with trading, you really can go to like millions. So it's like making 100K in trading, it's like a good goal instead of just shooting for 200K your first month and then having something else to balance it out with. With Amazon influencer program, so like maybe I can make like 20 to 30 to 40K with Amazon, make another 60 with TikTok shop, then make another like 100 with trading. Like I feel like that's very doable. It is already March, almost April, so it is what it is. But you shoot for the stars and you land on the moon. So I'll keep y'all posted on that. Hopefully my appeal goes through. If not, like I said, I'm posting 4 more videos today. So like I said, 1 goes bad, 4 should hit. You know what I'm saying? That's why you post a lot. So that one video doesn't hurt. It was a good video. So let's see if the appeal goes through. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to try to keep posting again. I want to post training recaps again. I'm getting a scalping strategy on ES ready to go, and then we'll be good to go. But thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to stay on this journey with me. My journey to 250K, 100K with trading prop firms, and 100K with affiliate marketing through Amazon Influencer Program and TikTok Shop. See y'all next week, y'all.